Hi, Luke and Julie with the Knowles Woolsey team. Welcome to our newest listing at 33 Ellen Street, Unit 604.
We're back here in the Nautica condominiums where we've been spending a ton of time lately, and there's no wonder why. We're right across from the beach. There's a pie wood-fired restaurant right next door, access to downtown shops, everything you could want. What else did you want in a condo, especially at this time of year in the beautiful summer? Let's go inside and check it out.
This beautiful Antigua model is just over 1,400 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. It's been tastefully updated with brand new stainless steel appliances and flooring. Who couldn't be inspired by this view?
You're not kidding. With wall-to-wall windows, you're overlooking Kempenfelt Bay, the marina, the beach, and the downtown city lights. What's not to love?
This generous-sized master bedroom has ample storage with his and her closets and a beautiful ensuite. You know, Luke, I know we say it time and time again, there really is something to be said about condo living.
I tell you, if I have to choose between cutting my own grass or enjoying a nice bottle of Chianti out here on the balcony while watching the boats come in and out of the harbor, I know what life for me is.
For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.